Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial video, and today I'm gonna show you how to set up a server for alpha and beta versions of Minecraft and get it to work. So if you don't, well, first of all, you have to port forward Minecraft uh, on your Wi-Fi network, and I am not gonna do that in this tutorial. I might make it in another tutorial, but if you don't know how to port forward Minecraft, then just go check out another tutorial. Like if you just search up here, how to port forward Minecraft. If you look there, yeah, there are a lot of tutorials. So yeah, and it's a little bit different for every router, but just check what router type you have, and then you can check out the tutorial for that. So like to how to port forward Minecraft on Technic. I think it's called Technicolor. Yeah, so you can check out there. But anyways, I'm gonna show you that like once you have port forwarded it, now you can do this. So what you wanna do is go to one of the two links I have in the description. I I have first my own server archive and also this server archive, which is a bit bigger. So I'm gonna use my own for this. So I'm gonna set up a server for Minecraft Alpha 1.2.6. You can see here that is Alpha 1.2.6. The server version is called 0.2.8. So double click that, click download, scanning for viruses, and there we have it. Now it's gonna give you this warning because it's a jar file, and that's just because the computer can't check if it has a virus or not. But if you go here, uh, you can use your antivirus software to check that it doesn't contain any virus because it's just a Minecraft server. And then to make it a bit easier to use, you will also download this file, run.bat, there, and I already have it, but yeah, I'm gonna remove my old run.bat and rename that to run.bat. Um, so what you wanna do is you wanna make a new folder. Oh, I already have run.bat here, but I'm gonna remove it. Oh yeah, you're gonna make a new folder, call it whatever you want. Maybe just 1.2, actually alpha 1.2.6 server. It doesn't have to be called that. It can just be called anything. Now you open the folder, go here to your downloads, and you move that server file to there. Move the run.bat to there. I'm gonna copy it because I might want to keep it. And also, if you don't want to download the run.bat file, you can. Oh, right. So, uh, because it doesn't know who gave out the run.bat file, it says it protects you, but it's just because it doesn't know who made the file. But as you can see, all you have to write is this command. So Java, just that it initiates Java, and then XMX is the maximum memory use, which I have set to 2 gigabytes, and XMS is a minimum memory use, which I have set to 0.4 gigabytes. No, what am I saying? No, a fourth of a gigabyte is what I mean. So 256 megabytes. I think that's, yeah, that is a fourth. Anyways, then this jar means that it is a jar file. Or at least I think that's what it means. And then Minecraft server.jar, which means that it's gonna open this jar file when it's only called Minecraft server. And then I think no GUI means that it doesn't open it with a GUI. And then pause is that when it's done, it's gonna pause. So yeah, I'm gonna leave this command in the description. But yeah, you don't really need it if you download the file. And anyways, there are 2 ways to do this. So the first one is to just open the Minecraft server. And it says fail to load because some of the stuff here didn't exist before. So now it's created a bunch of stuff and you can close out of it. And then this is the GUI, so you can see here what players are online and stuff like that. But to be able to type commands, you want to open it with the run.bat. But as you saw in the run.bat, it said Minecraft server. Now you can change the run.bat command to this file name, but you can also just change the file name to Minecraft server.jar. So now, if we press the run.bat, it's gonna run server.jar. And there we go. But now, if we try to go online, if we now try to go online on the server, I'm gonna see here. Actually, well, to go online, we need our IP address, which you can check on. Oh, you can check it on what'smyip.org. Yeah, I'm gonna have to change my IP address after this, but yeah, here's my IP address. So you copy that. Actually, I might just blur it out in the video. So now, here you have Minecraft. So you enter the IP address and think you'll go. No, that is not how it works. Because it tries to connect to Minecraft.net, and it can't because this is an alpha version. So what you need to do is you need to go into the server.properties. You can edit this with any text editing software. So I should change mine to Sublime Text, but anyways, here it says online mode. I want to change that to false, which means that now when someone tries to log in, it's not gonna try to connect to Minecraft.net. So now if I run it, enter my IP address. Oops, I had already entered it. Now you go online, but as you can see, your name is player something. And I don't know exactly what causes this, but yeah, your name is not your player name, and I think that also has to do with the Minecraft.net connection. So this also means that that you are a new player every time you log in. So if I log in again, alright, I am still player 524, but it has to do with the session ID. So if I log in again now, oh, okay, but it has something to do with it. So anyways, sometimes when you log in, you're a new player with another name, which will mean that all your data is gone. So to fix that, you need to well, I could also try if retro wrapper works, but that would make, yeah, that actually I'm gonna try retro wrapper, but I know that multi MC works at least, but I'm gonna try retro wrapper. So I'm gonna wrap that, and it has been wrapped, and right, we need to exit out. There we go. Now we have wrapped. We can try, and maybe we'll get our skin as well. Yeah, and let's see. Yep. So retro wrapper worked, and we get our skin, which is quite nice. Yeah, that's one fix. Um, and if you wonder where you get retro wrapper, I'm gonna leave this link in the description as well. Go here to GitHub. You can go here to releases and download retro wrapper installer, and then you just run it and wrap the version you want to play, and then you'll get your skin as well. But if you for some reason don't want to use retro wrapper, you can also use multi MC, which I'll leave this link in the description as well, multimc.org. You just download it, and once you start multi MC, you want to add an instance, and in this case we want it to be alpha 1.2.6, and I think that should also fix the problem. Yeah, so now I am logged in as Alvin Andrén, which is my account. But yeah, I would recommend using retro wrapper for the later versions after the sound bug fix. But before the sound bug fix, which by the way, if you don't know, is when it fixes so you can get sounds when you play old versions. But before the sound bug fix, the sounds are a bit broken with retro wrapper, so that's why you might want to use multi MC instead, because you can fix the sounds in multi MC, but you can't fix it in retro wrapper. So yeah, after the sound bug fix, I would recommend using retro wrapper, because well, you get your skin, and that's quite nice, but before the sound bug fix, I would recommend you to use multi MC instead, because then you can get the sounds. But anyways, as you can see, you can play, everything works, and the most important part is that stuff like furnaces work, which it should in these versions. But like, if you decide to play on some earlier version, like alpha 1.0.17 or something, then it is not going to work. Because those are very buggy versions. Also, this this does not work in earlier versions than alpha versions, because classic versions are meant, well, they were meant to be played on the browser, and since the browser version doesn't exist anymore, can't do that. But anyways, you can still look. It is a little bit broken. You don't see that bar, but it does smelt. And the storage containers also work. So yeah, um, when I set up 1.0.17 server, furnaces didn't work. They just removed the items, so it was basically unplayable, um, unless you used glitches or commands. But anyways, so I would recommend later versions. And also, you can see here that it says the log and everything. So you don't need the GUI that you get otherwise. And also here in the command prompt, you can actually type commands. So you could type this, and I think it's 264. Yep, there we go. and it gives the player diamonds. You can also type and as you can see, it gives the player TNT, which is a pretty bad idea. Oh, it uses the new sounds, so I would recommend you to use Multi-MC with the old sounds, because Retro Rapper for some reason uses the new sounds. So yeah, either skin with new sounds or no skin with old sounds. That's what you did. Oh my god. Oh god, these explosions are so big. But yeah, that's your decision. Oh god. But yeah, as I said, the sounds are pretty broken with Retro Rapper. So yeah, I would recommend you to use Multi-MC instead. But anyways, that was all for this tutorial video. If you liked the video and found this helpful, then hit the like button. And if you like my other videos and want to see more of these tutorial videos, then hit the subscribe button. And I will see all you guys in the next video.